Hi students, welcome to Learning Smart. In this video you are going to learn how to easily solve age problems. Okay, this is the first question. Father's age is thrice son's age. 5 years ago father's age was 4 times the son's age. Find the age of father 10 years from now. If the son's age is 1, if son's age is 1, what would be the age of father? Father's age is 3 times, right? 3 thrice son's age, 3. If the age of son is 1, father's age would be 3. And it is given 5 years ago. 5 years ago father's age was 4 times the son's age. 5 years ago father's age was 4 times son's age. If son's age is 1, father's age would be 4. Okay, now it's very easy to solve. Let's write 1 and 4, 5 years ago on top and the present age on bottom for convenience. Okay, this is son's age, this is father's age. Now see this, what is the difference? 4 minus 3, that's 1. 1 minus 1, it's 0. So what should be the difference? The difference should be same, right? Because from 1 and 4, after 5 years, it became 1 and 3. So son's age should be, the difference in the ages should be 5 and it should be same, right? Here see, the difference is 0, difference is 1. So the difference is different, 0 and 1. The first step is to make the differences same. How to make it same? Take the difference between 1 and 4. The difference is 3. Here the difference is 2. What you should do is multiply this 1 and 4 by 2. Multiply 1 and 4 by the difference of the ratios in the second step. So let's do it. Multiplying by 2, we get 2, 8. 2 multiplied by 1, 2 multiplied by 4, that's 8. 2 and 8. Similarly, multiply 3 to this ratio, 1:3. When you multiply it by 3, you get 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9. Now again check. Here the difference is 1. Again the difference is 1. So the difference became same. Okay, and this 1 is what? This 1 corresponds to 5 years. Because after 5 years 8 became 9. After 5 years 2 became 3. If 1 is 5, what is 2? 2 is 10. 2 multiplied by 5. If 1 is 5, what is 2? 2 into 5. Then what is 8? 80. 8 into 5, 40. What is 3? 3 into 5, 15. What is 9? 9 into 5, 45. See now? This is the actual age of the son 5 years back. This is the age of the father 5 years back. These are the present ages. Present age of son is 15 and present age of father is 45. Now go to the question. Find the age of father 10 years from now. This is now present age. 10 years from now plus 10. So the age of father 10 years from now would be 55. Let's do another question. So if the age of A is twice the age of B, so you have A B, and age of A is twice the age of B. So the present age of A is twice that of B. If the present age of B is 1, A is 2 times B. Okay, and this is the present age. And 8 years back, age of A was thrice the age of B. If the age of B was 1, age of A was 3. Thrice 1 multiplied by 3. This is 8 years back. So the difference should be same. Take difference. 3 minus 2, that's 1. 1 minus 1, 0. So in order to make the difference same, you have to find the difference. 3 minus 1, 2. 2 minus 1, that's 1. Multiply the difference between 2 and 1 to the first ratio, and multiply the difference between 3 and 1, that's 2, with the second ratio. We can do it. Okay, 1 multiplied by 3 and 1 is 3 and 1. 2 multiplied by 2 and 1, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2. Now take the difference. When you take the difference, here 3 minus 3 and 1, the difference is 1. 1 and 2, the difference is 1. Okay, this 1 corresponds to what? 8. This 1 corresponds to 8. So if 1 corresponds to 8, 3 corresponds to 3 multiplied by 8, 24. And this is 1, so it's 8. 4 multiplied by 8, 32. 2 multiplied by 8, 16. So A, B, this is age 8 years back. 8 years back. And this is the present age. See, the beauty of this method is you get all the ages. You get age of A, B, present years, present age, as well as the age 8 years back. Okay, so the question is, find the age of A 2 years back. So the present age of A is 32. 2 years back, 32 minus 2, so that's 30. So this is the answer. Present age of A 2 years back. Let's do another question. So the age of X and Y are in the ratio 1:2. After 15 years, the ratio of their ages become 2:3. Find the present age of X. So we have X and Y. The ratio of X and Y, the ratio of their ages are given as 1:2. Okay. After 15 years. After 15 years. So write it down. 15 years, the ratio of their ages becomes 2:3. Find the present age of X. So similar, what you should do, find the difference. The difference is 2 and 1, the difference is 1. 2 and 3, difference is 1. So the difference is same. So we can proceed, no need to multiply. So 1 corresponds to 15 years. If 1 corresponds to 15 years, what is the present age and the future age, X and Y? 1 is 15, Y is 2 multiplied by 50, 30. 30. 3 multiplied by 15, 45. So the question is, find the present age of X. The present age of X is 15. So this is the answer. Let's do another question. So the age of father is 4 times the age of son. After 30 years, age of son would be half the age of father. Okay, the father's age is the father's age and son's age. Okay, father's is 4 times the age of son. If the son's age is 1, father's age would be 4, right? After 30 years, so you have to write it bottom. After 30 years, what happens? The age of son would be half the age of his father. The age of the father is 2, son's age would be 1, half of 2. That's 1, right? Now find the age of father. Okay, find the age of father means the present age of father. So take difference. 4 minus 2, this is 2. 1 minus 1, difference is 0. So difference is different. So you have to make the difference same. So what you should do? Take the difference. 4 and 1, the difference is 3. 2 and 1, the difference is 1. Multiply 3 to the second ratio. Multiply 1 to the first ratio. When you do that, what do you get? 4, 1. 1 multiplied by 4, 1 multiplied by 1. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by 1, that's 3. Now take difference. Difference is 2. Here the difference is 2. So 2 corresponds to 30 years, right? So 1 will be what? 15. 2 corresponds to 30, so 1 corresponds to 15 years. If 1 corresponds to 15 years, 4 corresponds to 4 multiplied by 15, 60. 1 is 15. 6 becomes what? 90. 3 becomes what? 3 multiplied 15, 45. So this is the present age of father, 60. Okay, let's do the next question. After 5 years, the age of father becomes thrice the age of son. 5 years ago, the age of father was 7 times the age of son. Find the present age of father. So you have 2 ages, father and son. So after 5 years, okay. So future is given. The age of father becomes thrice the age of son. Okay. After 5 years. After 5 years, age of father becomes thrice the age of son. The age of son is 1, father's age would be 3. 5 years ago. So the present status is not given. 5 years ago. 5 years ago, the age of father was 7 times the age of son. The age of son is 1, father's age is 7. Okay. So what is the difference? 5 years ago, after 5 years. So total 10 years, right? From this to this, the difference should be 10. 10. So take the difference. 1 and 1, 0. 7 and 3, difference is 4. So the difference is different. So what you should do, you should find the difference of the first ratio. 7 and 1, the difference is 6. Here the difference is 2. Multiply the second difference to the first ratio and the first difference to the second ratio. Okay. When you do that, 2 multiplied by 7, 14. 2 multiplied by 1, 2. So this is fathers and sons. 6 multiplied by 3, 18. 6 multiplied by 1, 6. So now check the difference. 14 and 18, difference is 4. 2 and 6, the difference is 4. So the difference became equal. Now this 4 corresponds to 10 years, right? 4 corresponds to 10 years. 1 corresponds to what? 10 by 4 or 5 by 2. Okay, 1 corresponds to 5 by 2. 14 corresponds to what? 14 corresponds to 14 multiplied by 5 by 2. 2 multiplied by 5 by 2. 18 multiplied by 5 by 2. And 6 multiplied by 5 by 2. This becomes what? 14 5 by 2, 7 into 5, 35. This is 5. 18 into 5 by 2, 9 multiplied by 5, 45. 6 into 5 by 2, 15. Okay, so the present age of father. So this is father, son. This is the age of father 5 years ago. This is the father's age after 5 years. So the present age of father would be 35 plus 5, right? Or 45 minus 5, because present age is asked. Here the status is of past as well as future. Okay, so the present age is 35 plus 5 or 45 minus 5. If you ask the present age of the son, 5 plus 5 or 15 minus 5. So that would be 10. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.